All right, so here I am at Burney Falls. There is a lot to explore and a lot to see. Behind me right here is a cabin that was built in the early 1900s. Let me show you. Okay, so this cabin was constructed in 1935, and then it was restored in 84 by Friends of Burney Falls. Look at how neat that cabin is. Wow. Huh. I just think that is really neat. What an old cabin. Look at that. Huh. So I got here at 11:30 and there's quite a few people here. I was able to get a good parking spot, but gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's go find the falls and check it out. I hear the falls, so I know I'm going in the right direction. All right, let's go find it. All right. So here. Oh my goodness. I found it. Ah, nice. It is absolutely gorgeous. Burney Falls, definitely a place to come and check out. So I'm standing at the top. You can just get a glimpse of it from where I'm at, but we're gonna get down to the bottom. Let's go. And this is the little path that takes all the way down to the bottom of the fall. But it is so pretty. Look at that. Just surrounded by woods. It smells absolutely amazing. You can just smell the water and the trees. It smells so fresh and clean. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. I definitely recommend coming to Burney Falls. This was worth the hour and a half that it took me to drive here. Right. And then, so there's the waterfall. And the path just follows it around. It is beautiful here. Okay, well, I'm gonna do a little bit of hiking for like about a mile or so, and if I see any more incredibly beautiful things, I will record it. So you can follow me on my nature walk. All right. Very interesting. This whole side right here, it's great big rocks. And this side over here is forest. Huh. More beauty. Alright, so it's starting to get really crowded now. People are trying to get a video of this bridge, but people are crowding the bridge, and somebody stayed here for like 10 minutes taking pictures. So we'll see if I can get a video. Okay, so anyways, here's the bridge. I'm just gonna go over it because people will just keep walking. And then okay, so I am going to attempt to walk across this log. People have been doing it, so we'll see how well I do. Oh, I'm on it. I'm on it. Woo. So cool. What? I'm doing it. Alright, I am on the middle of the log. There's the bridge behind me. That's very popular with people. Here I am. Oh my gosh, I'm hot. Nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Got to get a picture of that one. Okay. I am on this big log in the middle of the creek. So I am going to walk back now. This has been so fun. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Balance is pretty good. Cool. Come on, let's try. See? It's in the middle, right there. Woo. Okay, now continuing on the hike. Beautiful, surrounded by woods. So magical. Absolutely magical. So this trail is called Falls Loop. Falls Loop. Just gorgeous. It's an easy trail. And it is just beautiful. We're going uphill right now. It's alright. It's not bad. Still going uphill. But it's pretty. There's the creek. See the creek from down below. Okay, so this is almost the top of the falls. I started at the bottom way over there and hiked all the way to this point. My hike is not over, but I have to go to the very top over there, which you can't really even see from this. All right, I think I'm getting ready to cross that bridge. It's coming up. Alright, so I'm getting ready to cross that bridge. There's a spot here where you can take the Pacific Crest Trail, but I am just going to follow this path along. So before I cross this bridge here, there's an area coming down here. It leads to the water. Oh, it is so magical. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. There's the bridge. Huh. Alright. I'm gonna loop back around. It's been fun. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful scenery. God creates beautiful things. Thank you again for joining me. Take care. Alright, well that was a fun hike. And now I am treating myself to a Burney Falls ice cream cone, which is like the biggest ice cream cone I've ever had. Definitely a place that you must visit. It's beautiful here. Magical, in my opinion. Alright, well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Get outside, enjoy nature, and an ice cream cone. Take care.